Would this make it?
It's all up to you. So where are you guys from?
UK?
So what's your name?
I'm Pichai.
Danny.
Callum.
Callum. Oh, nice. I'm Robin.
Robin, it's Robin.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Robin.
You guys are coming from Kerala.
Jaisalmer.
You guys are coming from Jaisalmer.
Yeah.
Like by this auto rickshaw.
Yeah. To Shimla, Spiti Valley.
Oh, that's cool.
Beautiful, isn't she? Spicy, right? How about you? From where?
Yeah, I'm coming from Leh.
How's the road to Leh?
Roads are like nice.
So better than it gets better?
Roads are just like this.
Okay.
Till Leh.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you will just got like bit patches.
Yeah,
That's
But like a bit further towards Sarchu.
not like that.
Alright, good.
Yeah, the roads are like far better than this. Like
Nice.
all the roads are like this.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So where are you guys from?
UK?
You guys from UK. Oh, nice.
How about you?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I started my ride from Delhi, then Jammu. Then Jammu, from there is a road like world's most dangerous road, like Killer Kishwath Road, if you heard about it.
Yeah.
Did you heard about it?
Dangerous road.
Yeah, Killer Kishwath Road. No. So I did this. Did you heard about Zanskar Valley? It's like 300 kilometer off patch, like this, that. Yeah. So
We did Spiti Valley.
yeah, Spiti Valley is also crazy. Yeah, it's like just same. It's like Zanskar Valley is like Spiti Valley, and so like 50 kilometers, like 2 feet sand over there, and like my bike was stuck in there. Yeah.
Are you alone or are you with people?
No, I'm alone.
Yeah.
Basically, like I was with two guy, Childali, like they went to Pangong.
How's the road to Pangong?
30 kilometers. It's like off-road. Like when you're going to the uphills, like roads are like so bad.
Okay. Would this make it?
It's all up to you. Roads are like 50 kilometers like off-road path, and roads like uphills. It will be like the altitude is like 17,000, like more than 70,000.
70,000?
Yeah, 17.
Oh, 17.
Yeah. So what's your name?
Sorry. I'm Pichai.
Your teacher, and you're Danny. Yeah, and you? Callum. Oh,
your
nice. I'm Robin.
Robin, it's Robin.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Robin.
So you all of you are from UK?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
There's loads of other teams doing this as well. They're from different countries.
I think I saw one more auto. Just
we're seconds.
I think it's like 50 kilometers far from you.
Okay.
Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys.
Nice to meet you, Robin. Nice to meet you. And take care.
Yeah. Good drive, man. Yeah, thank you. Best of luck. All the best.